Hello everyone, this is Sammy Solis and welcome to my YTC aka YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning about investment and why it is important to invest in your life for the long-term benefits of what you can get a return of as you retire. As you all can see here, I am no longer driving. I have arrived to my house because I want to do something different other than driving and talking. I want to talk and walk and give you guys a little analogy of the power of investment. So as you guys well know, I do a commute of about an hour or so every day each way, so about 2 hours a day. And as I am commuting, I think of ways to how to help the young people, how to invest, how to be able to make wealth and create wealth, and how to get that passive income in the long term. So as I was talking about investment, investing is very important. However, getting a return on an investment doesn't occur from one day to another. It takes time. It takes a lot of time. So I wanted to show you guys really quickly an example of when you invest time, you'll get a very nice juicy return. I'll show you right now. So this is my watermelon plantation. I planted this about maybe 2 months ago, and I've been watering it every single day. Every single day, every single morning. Today is like 100 degrees outside, so we actually harvested the watermelons today. However, there are still a few lingering around that are yet still needing to grow a little bit more to then pull and reap the investment that I poured into it every single day. Let me show you really quickly. So you can see here, this little guy is coming along. Another guy over here. I mean, you know, I really take a great appreciation of these watermelons because I put a lot of time into it. I put so much time into these watermelons by getting up every morning, remembering to water it every single day, because why? They need the water to create this very nice fruit. Here's another one over here. He's growing. And I believe these two right here will be ready for harvest maybe next week. So I wanted to show you guys this because this is very important when it comes to investing your time, your money, and also when it comes to money. I know that some of you guys have heard of 401k. 401k is a way to invest for retirement. It's a way in which you're able to allocate money into mutual funds that is partnering up normally with employers that want to also invest in your retirement for the hope of retaining you in their employment in the long term. So as you can see here, it took a long time. It took a lot of time for me to be able to get a really nice return on my investment in being able to water these watermelons every single day. Definitely the return on my investment was well worth it. One, because I'm able to save some money in when it comes to buying watermelons. I don't have to go to the store and spend a couple bucks. Instead, I can just pick whichever one I believe is ready and enjoy right away. Secondly, I'm able to control my costs in terms of how much water to put. I definitely allocated the amount of water within where the plant is rooted into so that I don't have to waste too much in water. So being able to create this type of investment and ensuring that my time was well worth it. Sometimes we invest a lot of our time in things that are not worth it. For example, going on social media, instead of learning about how to become a better person, you go on there to look at the next gossip that you shouldn't be looking at, or looking at your ex-boyfriend or spying on your ex-girlfriend, seeing what they're doing, how great of a life they're having, and you're there.
I don't know what you're doing.
Sometimes we invest time that is not wise. So I want you to ask yourself this question. Since my time is valuable, because that's the thing, time is so valuable that we can't get it back. So every single day, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life that is going to make you a better person for you to then be able to pass on your success to the next generation? Maybe you're not having kids, that's okay. Who are you going to lay down and pass on that torch of knowledge so that they can continue to have that success as well? Us as human beings, we always want to become better at something. By nature, we always want to improve, at least be sustainable. Being able to invest good quality time in your life is very important. I wanted to show you guys this because, as you can see, this didn't just grow overnight. This grew over a period of 6 to 8 weeks of continually investing my time and the water that I pour into it to generate a good return, which was these delicious watermelons. And that's how it is sometimes in life. You have to invest time in skills that you may have to learn to generate a good income. Sometimes you have to invest in your 401k, in your retirement, so that once you become older, you can benefit from the initial investment that you placed years before. This didn't take years, but it took a couple of weeks for me to be able to get the benefit out of it. We live in a generation in which we want things now, things instantaneously. We want to generate wealth, we want to start getting wealthy right away, but sometimes it takes some time. It takes time, effort, studying, reading, learning, and investing again. Learning and reading is a personal investment that I recommend you to do. Not only when it comes to wanting to do something, but just for the sake of learning for you to become a better person. So my challenge for you today is, what are you investing in your life? What are you investing in to become a better person? What skills are you learning to then hopefully generate a good income, a good sustainable income, so that you don't have to suffer getting 1, 2, 3 jobs versus getting one job that has a high skill to give you a high income. Just like the analogy of these watermelons, definitely it pays off. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, a very quick video on investment and the importance of how to invest in your time, how to invest in people, how to invest in your intellect and your even health, how to invest in your health as well. This is very important, as you guys could see the analogy that I used about being able to invest with your watermelons and hopefully getting a nice juicy return. It's absolutely amazing. Look at the color of that thing. Oh, I can't wait. It's been very hot over here in California. It's been over 100 degrees for the past 3 days, and we are
toasting, definitely.
But anyways, back to the topic on investment. So again, the importance, I cannot emphasize it more, guys. Definitely, I want to be able to pour my heart, my knowledge, my experiences, good and bad, into your guys' lives so that you guys could know how to invest well, how to be able to generate wealth, how to be able to make the right decisions financially so that you guys don't have to suffer the way I did when I was growing up in my early 20s. Right now, I'm 32. I have my own house. I'm married. I have my own business. And I am definitely investing my time to be able to continually create wealth. And I want to be able to lay that path for you guys to walk as well. And together we will grow and live comfortably. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, press that bell button so you guys know when I'm going to post on the next video. I still have to do the video on the Tesla and how the Tesla is paying me $10,150 this year alone. I know, it's crazy. I'm going to definitely show you the math. Hopefully in a couple days once this heat gets a little bit better. Anyways, I love you guys. Until next time.